Hi, this is Aaron Aardvark Adventure Rides. Still in the middle of level 3 lockdown. We're on essential travel only, not that you'd know it. So while the number of new infections on this coronavirus is on the decrease here in Australia, we're still on level 3 lockdown. Hopefully it won't be too much longer. Now, I don't mind staying at home and doing my bit to help stop the spread, but I am starting to miss my off-road riding. So I've decided to put together a highlights video. This is a few video clips over the last couple of years. Sorry for the clip show, have no fears, I've got stories for years. Sorry about that. Hope you enjoyed. Hopefully there will be some more off-road adventures coming soon. Big thanks to everyone who subscribed to my channel. I passed 100 subscribers in the last couple of weeks. And if you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.